In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make art for your video game with Midjourney. So I'm going to teach you a free way and a paid way. Now, the paid way is better, you'll get better results, but of course you have to pay for it. So first of all, the free method. What you want to do is you want to come to Google and type in whatever you're looking for. So in this video, I'm going to look for video game backgrounds. So you want to find some that you like. You can compile a few if you want to, but let's say I'm making a 2D game like this and I like this. So I'm going to save this image. That's a different file type, so I'm going to find a new one that's easier. Need to find a PNG. Okay, JPEG, here we go. You could convert these to whatever, but I can't bother in this video. So now you want to go into Midjourney once you've downloaded your concept that you like. Type /describe, and then it's going to give you a box to put your file in. Put your file in there and upload it. Now press enter. What this is going to do is it's going to look at the image that you've given it and it's going to describe it. So these are the 4 descriptions it's given us. Find the one that is the most applicable. I'm going to just click the top one, and then click the number. Yeah, click the number that's most applicable, which matches it most. Once you click it, it's going to then generate you something that is a similar to this, basically. Now wait for this to load, and you can see it start to generate already. Now what you can do here, if this is good, you can take this here, you can copy this, you can do /imagine, paste it in, and you can change different aspects of this depending on what you want. So if you want the landscape to be blue, you could change green to blue. If you wanted it to be hard edges, you can change hard edges. If you wanted the backdrops to be plain, if you wanted different styles, you can add those in. And basically this is going to be trial and error until you get something that you like. Now you can see here it's actually creating me some pretty cool stuff. It's not identical to this, but it is still making some nice things. Now, as I said, it's not perfect, but this is a free way to do it. So now moving on to the paid way to do it. What you want to do is you want to come to Google and type in a website called PromptBase. Now, what I'm going to show you how to do here, you want to type into PromptBase the thing that you're looking for. Okay, so you go into PromptBase and you type in what you want to see. So, game background, Midjourney on the left, click that. Now here it's going to give you tons of examples of different types of backgrounds. So, let's say that we like this one here, this style here. This is all the examples of things that it's generated, and these are pretty cool if you've got some kind of 2D game. What you do is you click get prompt. It costs just under $4, so it's not expensive at all. You'll get given a few lines of text, which will be the prompt. It will include tons of keywords, which will mean when you put it into Midjourney, it will generate things like this. They will also give you instructions, and the instructions will allow you to customize it. So you can see this is a desert, this is a winter landscape. It's going to teach you how to make it into different styles, bits you want. And it's going to give you tons of keywords that you can swap around to get your desired result. And I'd recommend this because it's going to give you a more consistent and a closer result to what you're looking for. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that you found it useful. Thank you for watching.